guys, it's another video in less than 24 hours. So yeah, let's get it. If you could load faster. Guess what I have? And I told you yesterday. Guess what I have? You're gonna see, yes, the one and only Star Jake outfit. And it looks fresh. And how did I get it? Well, the dark outfit was a free gift. I don't know why. When I started and I logged into my face, it automatically gave me the dark outfit for free. And then I had 29 of the keys, so then I opened up a few mystery box and I got one. No, I got 3. And then bam, here we go. Let's get it now. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Let's get it. Let's see if we can beat 54K first. Because my friend has 54K and that is hardcore because I just started yesterday. But I hope I can probably get that. And damn it. Dang it. Again, dang it. I need to do this again. Ah! Wait a minute. Okay, sorry, I had to open the door. Doing it. No, that was a bad spot. Let's see. See that 52K? Oh, mystery. No, what the? Oh, how did that even happen, bruh? Really, that happened for no reason. I don't get the times 8. What does that mean? Oh. I don't care. Bam. 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 Give me that money, money, money. Give me that money, 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 money. Good luck trying to catch me now. No! No. Let's try these again. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Blech. Look at all that. 86. 800. I think I'm done for today.